Hello students, welcome to NIRS education channel. Today let us continue the lesson Footprints Without Fate. In our previous session we came to know that Mr. and Mrs. Hall entered the scientist's room thinking that he was not there inside the room. When they peeped into the room, they have not seen the scientist inside. So they decided that that was the right time to investigate about the scientist. When they entered the room, they had to see many strange things. Mrs. Hall heard the snip very near to her ear, and after that, hat which was there on the bedpost, it jumped up and it threw itself on the face of Mrs. Hall. After that, the chair it stood up and started to come towards Mr. and Mrs. Hall. Then they turned and started to move towards door, and the chair pushed them out of the door. And Mrs. Hall became hysterics. Means she was very frightened. She was in almost panicked condition, and while she was getting down the stairs, she was about to fall. And she convinced that that room was haunted by the spirits. Next, what happened? Let us see now. My poor mother used to sit in that chair. She moaned. To think it should rise up against me now. She moaned. Moaned means mournful cry of pain. In a painful manner, she was crying. My poor mother, she used to sit on that chair, but now it is standing against me. The very same chair, it is standing against me now. And the feeling among the neighbors was that the trouble was caused by witchcraft. The neighbors, they were thinking that all these troubles were caused by the witchcraft. Witchcraft means black magic. Black magic. Because of that, all these things are occurred. But witchcraft or not, when news of burglary at the clergyman's home became known, the strange scientist was strongly suspected of having had a hand in it. Yet not they decided whether it is because of witchcraft or not. Then only they heard about the burglary. Burglary means theft, stealing, thieving in the house of a clergyman. About that they came to know. The stealing which occurred that day morning in clergyman's house. About that all these people came to know. The strange scientist was strongly suspected of having had a hand in it. Then all people, they got so strong suspect or suspicion that probably this man, this strange scientist, had his hand in that burglary, that stealing. Suspicion grew even stronger when he suddenly produced some ready cash, though he had admitted not long before that he had no money. And when that man produced amount, all of a sudden, then the suspicion became even more stronger. Earlier he told he did not have any money with him and he was waiting for the check. But very soon he produced money. It means he was able to give some money to Mr. Hall. By seeing that also, people started to think probably this man having had hand in that burglary. The village constable was secretly sent for. Instead of waiting for the constable, Mrs. Hall went to the scientist who had somehow mysteriously appeared from his empty bedroom. See here. The village constable was secretly sent for. They sent a person to call the village constable. Instead of waiting for the constable, before the arrival of constable only, Mrs. Hall went to the scientist. She went to scientist who had somehow mysteriously appeared from his empty bedroom. Then, mysterious manner, that person appeared in his bedroom. Who? Scientist. Earlier he was not there inside the bedroom or inside his room, but now he is there. I want to know what you have been doing to my chair upstairs, she demanded, and I want to know how it is you came out of an empty room and how you entered a locked room. Then this lady, she asked him, I want to know what you have been doing to my chair in the upstairs. And also she demanded, she asked him in a strong voice, and I want to know how is it you came out of an empty room. You came out of an empty room. How is it possible? And how you entered a locked room. See that. Room is there. Inside that again bedroom is separate. He came out from the bedroom. Before that he entered the room. But already we know after pushing husband and wife, the door was locked from inside. Then how is it possible a person can enter from outside to inside? So she is asking him how you entered a locked room. Like this, in a strong voice, Mrs. Hall asked the scientist. The scientist was always quick-tempered. Now he became furious. The scientist was always quick-tempered. He used to become very angry all of a sudden, or he used to lose his temper. So, and he became furious. Again, he became very furious, extreme angry. You don't understand who or what I am, he shouted. Very well, I will show you. Then he shouted, you don't understand who or what I am. Very well, I will show you. Well, I will show you now who I am and what I am. Now I am about to show you. He shouted like that. After that, what happened? Let us see in the next session. Thank you for watching video.